List 5 types of continuous data that you can collect from a clinic. Answer. 5 types of continuous data that can be collected from a clinic are 1. Patient's body temperature, 2. Patient's blood pressure, 3. Patient's heart rate, 4. Patient's respiratory rate, 5. Patient's blood sugar level. These continuous data types provide ongoing measurements that can vary across a range of values, allowing healthcare professionals to monitor and assess a patient's health status over time. You are head of marketing team of a firm. How can you utilize the data generated out of the customer's review about a certain product? What marketing strategy would you implement in your work utilizing that data? Answer. As the head of the marketing team, I would utilize the data generated from customer reviews to gain valuable insights into their preferences, satisfaction levels, and areas for improvement regarding the product. By analyzing this data, I can identify trends, patterns, and common themes among the reviews. With this information, I would implement a targeted marketing strategy that focuses on addressing customer concerns, highlighting the product's strengths, and tailoring promotional campaigns to resonate with the target audience. This approach would help improve customer satisfaction, enhance brand loyalty, and drive sales growth. Give the qualitative and quantitative attributes of a single object. Answer. Here are a few more areas where data can be utilized to enhance the quality of business: customer relationship management, CRM. By analyzing customer data, businesses can understand their preferences, behaviors, and needs better, allowing them to tailor products and services to meet customer expectations. Supply chain management. Data analytics can optimize inventory levels, streamline logistics, and improve forecasting accuracy, leading to cost savings and enhanced efficiency in the supply chain. Marketing and advertising. Data-driven marketing strategies enable businesses to target the right audience, personalize marketing messages, and measure the effectiveness of campaigns, resulting in higher conversion rates and improved ROI. Product development. Data analytics can provide valuable insights into customer feedback, market trends, and competitor analysis, guiding businesses in developing innovative products that address market demands effectively. Risk management. Businesses can use data analytics to identify and mitigate various risks, such as financial, operational, and cybersecurity risks, thereby safeguarding their assets and reputation. How is data used by online streaming platforms? Answer. Online streaming platforms use data in several ways to enhance user experience and provide personalized content. They analyze user preferences, viewing history, and interactions to recommend similar movies or shows that align with the user's interests. Additionally, they track viewer engagement metrics like watch time, ratings, and comments to understand which content is popular and tailor their content library accordingly. Moreover, streaming platforms use data analytics to optimize their platform performance, ensuring smooth streaming and minimal buffering for users. Overall, data helps online streaming platforms deliver content that resonates with each user, ultimately improving customer satisfaction and retention.